Hello students, I am Kinjal Parmar. Welcome back to the video lecture series of microprocessor and microcontroller. Today we will discuss AVR arithmetic instructions. So let's start with what is arithmetic instructions. So the AVR arithmetic instructions are the instructions which performs basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction and multiplication. Arithmetic instructions are basically used to perform varieties of addition, subtractions and multiplication operations. This AVR microcontroller has two operands which are usually registered that holds the data. In this there are basically left register and right-handed register. So left register is the source register while the right one is the destination register. Okay, so basically in a AVR microcontroller there are source registers and destination register. So whatever the data are of a source is basically operated and perform arithmetic operations with the this destination register, and whatever the content of this operations is basically stored in the destination register. This AVR arithmetic instructions basically includes first add operations. So in the AVR the add operation has two general purpose register as input and the result will be stored in the first register. So here there is a instructions of addition, that is add instructions. So add RD, RR. So whatever the content of R is basically added into the RD register and the result is stored in the RD register. So this is addition instructions of AVR arithmetic categories. So this RR basically resource RD, that means destination, and the result stored in a RD register. So this is basically arithmetic operations. So due to arithmetic operations this status of the controller is changed. So it could change any of the value of Z, C, N, V, H or S bit of a status register depending on the operand involved. So whatever the result, depending on that result, any of the flag is either enabled or basically 0. Next, this AVR arithmetic instruction includes addition of a 16-bit. So to add two 16-bit data, so here there is an instruction ADC, that is add with carry. Okay, so for 16-bit addition there is an instruction ADC. So first 8-bit data is basically added and that 8-bit data is basically again added with the other 8-bit with carry. So to add the instructions, here ADC instruction is used, add with carry. So here two registers. So this in a destination register the content of RD plus RR and plus whatever the value of C is added, and this instruction is basically used for 16-bit data. Okay, for additions. Now next, to perform subtraction there is a this subtractions instructions. So subtraction instruction is SUB RD, RR. So basically content of RD is subtracted from RR and whatever the result is basically stored in a RD. So SUB is for subtractions. This subtraction instructions has again RR, RD, and whatever the result is basically stored in a RD. And due to subtractions it could change any of the value of Z, that means 0 flag, carry flag, negative flag, overflow flag or half carry or sign flag depending on the operations. Okay, so this arithmetic instructions could change the status register contents. To subtract 16-bit there is a other instruction SBC. So to subtract this two 16-bit data operand, the instruction SBC, that is subtract with carry, is used. Basically this carry work as a borrow over here in this SBC instructions. So in the AVR there is only C flag. So for a subtraction this C flag is used as a borrow, and that is why they are called SBC, that is subtraction with carry. So here there is a instruction SBC RD comma R. So this performs subtractions and store the content, and RD is equals to RD minus RR minus C. Okay, so this is subtraction arithmetic instruction. Now there is a other arithmetic instruction that is for multiplication. So the AVR has several instructions dedicated to multiplications. So MUL is a byte by byte multiplication instruction. So using this MUL instructions, byte by byte multiplication is done in a registers. So here MUL RD comma RR. So content of RD and RR is multiplied and the data is stored in the RD registers. So this AVR arithmetic instruction is used for multiplication, that is MUL. So this AVR has only multiplication instruction, there is no instructions for divide operations. Now let's discuss all the arithmetic instructions in one table. Okay, so first we have a ADD, so add instructions. So add RD comma R. So this is basically to add content of two resistors. So it performs the operations RD plus R and the result is stored in a RD. Now next add two resistor with carry. So ADC. So add two resistor with carry. So RD plus RR plus C. So the content of this RD plus RR plus C is stored into the destination resistor. Now to add this 16-bit data, there is another instruction that is ADIW, add immediately to word. Basically this K is of a 16-bit. Okay, so here this DL is basically used for lower byte, H is used for higher byte. Okay, so whatever the content of this K is basically added with higher and lower byte, and that result is stored in a ADI operation, that means addition operation is performed and the content is stored in a lower and higher byte of destination register. So this all are the for addition. Then for subtraction, to perform the subtractions of two resistors, that is the instructions SUB RD comma RR, subtract two resistors. So RD is equals to RD minus R. Now to perform subtract constant value from resistor, so there is a instruction SUBI. Okay, though so SUBI, so it is perform whatever the content of RD is basically subtracted from the value of K. Whatever the value of K is directly subtracted from the RD resistor, and the values are basically stored in the RD resistor. Now to subtract the value of one resistor from with the carry, so here instruction SBCI RD comma R. So the subtract the resistor with carry. So basically here operation is done RD minus R minus C, and whatever the result is stored in a RD. Now next instruction is SBCI RD comma K. So it subtract the constant value with carry. So RD is equals to RD minus K minus C. Now next is for subtract immediate from word, that means for 16-bit subtraction. So whatever the content, that is K have a 16 bits, so that bits are basically subtracted from lower and higher byte of RD, and then result is stored in a lower and higher byte of RD. So this is subtraction instruction. Now next there is a multiplication instructions. So these all are the multiplication, as well as we have a incremental and decremental instructions. So to increment the content by 1, there is a INC instruction. So INC RD, so whatever the content of RD is incremented by 1, then DEC decrement. So whatever the content of RD is decremented by 1 using this DEC instruction. Now other are the multiplication instructions. In multiplications we have to check the sign of magnitude, whatever the data are used. Okay, so for a simply unsigned data, that means we have no idea about a sign of data, so we can use MUL instructions. So whatever the content of RR and RD are basically multiplied, and the result is stored in this R0 and R1 whenever we used MUL. Okay, now then MULS. So here there is a sign numbers. Okay, MUL, that means RD and R are basically a sign bit. So whatever the contents are basically copied and stored into the register. Now multiply sign number with with unsigned. So one is a signed number, other is a unsigned number. So for that MULSU. MUL again there is a multiplications, but one number has a sign and other number is a unsigned magnitude. Then for a fractional multiplication there is a FMUL instruction. So multiply the fractional value and these are the unsigned number. Then FMULS, the fractional multiply sign numbers. Okay, then FMULSU, so fractional multiply sign with unsigned. So one number is signed, one number is unsigned, and that these are basically multiplier, and then this are basically stored into the R0 and R1 register. So these all are the arithmetic instructions which performs either addition, subtractions and multiplications depending on our requirement. Thank you.